Greetings, children of the night, and welcome to another cooking video. Tonight, I'll be using a recipe from an old cookbook that I got during the early 90s. However, I'll be adding my own spin to it. We'll start with 1.5 cups of flour. Then we'll throw in half a cup of sugar. After adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, I also like to add a little bit of salt. Once you have your dry ingredients, whisk it all together and get ready for the wet stuff. As a vampire, I don't usually start my morning with, my usual brand of breakfast. In fact, I don't get up in the morning. I prefer waking up at night, when it's safe. Nevertheless, I always enjoy making these muffins when I get up. Speaking of which, I just melted 1 stick of butter and I'm currently adding half a cup of milk to it. After that, you'll drop in 1 egg and beat it all together. Okay, so I just realized that I really messed up here. After you melt butter, you have to be super quick with the milk and the egg and everything. Speaking of which, I also added, I think 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I can never get that part right. But, yeah. As you can see, I wasn't quick enough. So now the butter is stiffening and looking all nasty. I was hoping to salvage it with the dry ingredients, but that just made it worse. Like, it ended up looking doughy, and I am not here to make bread, I am here to make muffins. Luckily, adding more milk saved the day. So now that you've managed to rescue your muffin batter from ultimate doom, throw in those chocolate chips. After that, set up your muffin tin and get ready to pop them in the oven at 375 degrees. That'll be in Fahrenheit, and you'll need to bake them for 28 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna pause again. Just look at this little guy right here. Looks like Death, the little dude. Aw, now he looks like a little puppy. I hope he tastes good. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, good night!